something I really like is this. This is the Nexstand, Nexstand, and this is a portable laptop stand, and it's one of the best stands in the market at the moment for portable laptop stands. The other ones are bulky, big, and I don't know what to do about it. So somebody on YouTube actually was using this, and I thought I needed one for myself, so I ordered it and I got it now. So let's open it up and see how it is. So it comes in this beautiful cloth bag, and you just open it this way. See how this has to open up things. Okay, we're almost there. I'm done. There you go. That is the Nexstand. It has clippings here that go in like this. Really go in all the way up, you know. Okay, so the stand is very simple. So let's just move a little back as I give you the demonstration of how to use it. So you just open it up like this, and voila. And just so this is where the laptop. This hinge, upon this hinge is where the laptop sits. So this is like a 15-inch MacBook, and it sits like a charm right there. So it's really high. So the first setting is really high. Now if I want to change the settings, there's a different way. So I'm just gonna take this off. Now on a closer look, there are levers here. So when pressed can go down. So what I'm going to quickly do is, so I'm going to hold this like this and push them low. So now they're all low to the lowest setting possible. Now in the most lowest setting that we just did, the laptop sits really close to the ground, and look at this. Wow. Look at that movement, and it's so low. So have a look at this. When I go a little more further, it is as low as it can get, so you can work on your laptop directly. And this is pretty awesome. Well, this is one of those things you need in your portable office setup, and if you know me, you know how much I love portability. And especially when something like this can increase the height of the stand, and where you can get a wireless mouse, you know, like the Microsoft wireless mouse. With it, it's gonna be amazing. Well, that's it for today's quick video on the Nexstand. And if you're thinking of buying one for yourself, you can always buy it from Amazon. I've left a link right in the description down below to make it more easy for you guys to find it. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, then you'll like the previous ones, which are linked right across. And if you like what you're doing, keep subscribed so I can keep getting to your inbox as quickly as possible. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you guys soon. Bye bye.